Nothing's gonna make this bright yellow paint on this Corvette stand out better than an 8-year xpel ceramic coating. Jimmy did his thing on this one. He went around and polished all the paint, bringing back that beautiful lustrous yellow, and then sealing it with a ceramic 8-year coating. The wheels are gonna come off. We're gonna do the inside of the barrel of the wheels and the brake calipers as well. Everything's gonna look better than the day this thing came off the showroom floor. Coming around to the PPF bay, checking out what Caleb's doing. He's working on this Jeep Wrangler. We're doing a track package, plus the fender flares, plus the A-pillars on this thing. They're gonna daily drive this Jeep and they wanna enjoy it, but keep the paint looking great. Ultimate protection. They're gonna be able to enjoy this thing and it's gonna look awesome all the time. Coming outside, we have this Elantra. This is actually up after they get done with lunch for tint. We're doing full XR ceramic tint all the way around to keep the interior cool and safe from the sun. Moving on to the GMC Sierra, we did front windows to match the back tint that was existing from factory, and then added a visor as well to keep the sun out of his eyes. This beautiful AT4, this just got a ceramic coating. The customer's actually on his way to pick it up. This was an 8-year coating and front windows to match the back. Toyota Camry, customer got the front end painted. From daily driving, he noticed it was getting beat up pretty bad. So after he got it repainted, he wanted to get some protection on it to keep that blue paint looking great. So we did a partial front end on this. Then behind it is a 4Runner. Same exact thing actually, it's got a partial kit. That one we did partial fenders and partial hood. Really like the blue on that 4Runner. Then beside it is this Santa Fe. This is my good friend Justin. We did a ceramic coating on this one as well with tint to match the back windows. Took the wheels off, did the barrel of the wheels, keep those black wheels looking great as long as you can. He's ready for summer, looks awesome. Then behind that is a Challenger. This one came in for a track package, but then after going over everything when she was dropping off, the customer decided to do the full wrap. After getting so much information about the paint protection film and what it does, she just loved the fact that it's gonna protect the paint and keep it looking new always. So we're gonna do a full wrap on this. These guys got it prepped. They're gonna pull it in sometime this afternoon. Beside the Santa Fe is a Ford Mustang. We did a ceramic coating on this about 2 years ago. It came in for its annual inspection. Still looks great. We washed it, clayed it, iron decon bathed it, and added a layer of ceramic on it. They're actually on their way to come pick it up now. RAV4, that customer was in an accident, so we did a partial, just a partial hood piece here. Something happened to the front bumper and they had a piece of PPF that needed replaced, so we just did it right above that grill piece. This is the next one on Jimmy's list to tackle. This is getting a ceramic coating, this big ProMaster. This lady uses it. You can see the plates from California. She goes all over the US with this thing. Loves checking out all the places and wants it looking great. So we're gonna go over all the paint, get all those micro scratches out of it, getting every imperfection out of it, making it look new again, and then seal it all with ceramic to make it look fresh and a lot easier to clean while she's on the road. Last but certainly not least is this beautiful McLaren up front. We're doing a full wrap and a ceramic coating on this. It did get prepped. It's just waiting to go over to Aaron and his guys to finish up everything. That's all we have at LATROBE. Let's kick it over to Dean and see what he's got going on today on this beautiful Wednesday.
Today we're at Clairview School in Greensburg installing some silver reflective film on most of the windows and entrances of the building to give the students and teachers inside a little bit more privacy. As you can see while we walk down the side of the building here, almost all of the windows are done already, and you can see out clearly from the inside, but you can't see in. There's many different benefits to these types of films. Another big one is heat rejection to help keep them cooler inside as well. Thanks guys, we'll see you next week.
What's going on guys? It is Wednesday. Let's take a look around our Gibsonia shop. Up front we have a completed job here. This Ferrari 488 came to us with an existing full front clip. So we finished off the full wrap and added a couple black accent pieces. The rocker panels are done in our Ultimate Plus black paint protection film. These vents on the side and the entire roof. Once the PPF was wrapped up, we tinted the 2 front windows in 20%, and we also applied a 4-year ceramic coating to the entire vehicle. Next up is an insurance job here from our friends at BMW of Swickley. This vehicle was involved in an accident, so we had to reapply paint protection film on the entire front bumper and the front left fender flare. Another completed job here from our paint protection film department is this Audi SQ8. This got our full front clip package and our 8mm paint protection film. Another vehicle in the works here is this BMW M5 Competition. As you can see, this got our xpel Stealth paint protection film. We have also tinted the side windows and the back window in our Prime XR window tint. Once the PPF guys give it their final stamp, Mark will get his hands on it for an 8-year ceramic coating. Next in line for a stealth wrap is this Cadillac Escalade. We have already tinted the 2 front windows to match the factory tint. Once those guys in the back wrap up what they're currently working on, they're going to be applying xpel Stealth to the entire vehicle. And once that is complete, Mark will apply a 4-year ceramic coating. Over here, we got Mark doing his thing on a 2017 F-250. This is actually my dad's truck. We did a Ceramic Pro Gold package on this vehicle back in 2017, and then it sat outside for many, many years. So we polished out the paint, got rid of any kind of oxidation, micro swirls, anything that might have been on top of the coating. And once the coating was polished off, slight paint correction on the whole vehicle, we're gonna apply a Fusion Plus ceramic coating to the whole vehicle. In the tint bay, we got a couple vehicles here. This Toyota Tacoma is in to get the 2 front windows 20% to match the factory tint. Next to the Tacoma is a 2014 Audi A4. This is in for our Prime CS 5% tint on the side windows and the back window. In the wash bay, we got the guys prepping this Toyota Supra. This also is getting our xpel Stealth applied to the entire vehicle. This actually already has a satin finish paint job from Toyota. So it's super important to protect that. That way you can treat the paint as if it's just typical gloss paint instead of using the necessary satin-specific detail chemicals, and also obviously stop the rot chips. Once the Stealth is applied, Mark will get his hands on it for a 4-year ceramic coating. Up on the lift, we got the guys working on this Integra Type S. This is getting our full front clip in our 8mm paint protection film. Once that is complete, we're going to be applying xpel Fusion Plus Light, which is a 1-year ceramic coating.
What's going on, everybody? It's Wednesday. Let's take a look around our Washington shop. In our tint bay, we have this 2015 Audi RS7. This customer is getting all of the side windows, back glass, and the whole windshield tinted in our XR line of film. In the PPF bay, we currently have Cam working on this 2026 GMC Denali 2500. This customer opted for the full front in our paint protection film, along with an 8-year ceramic coating. Also in the ceramic bay, we have this 2008 Saturn Sky. This customer is getting the front bumper protected in our paint protection film, and then a ceramic coating applied to the rest of the body.
Hey guys, welcome to What's in the Shop Wednesday. Let's see what we got going on today.
Here we have this 992.2 Targa 4S. It's in for a full front paint protection film. Here we have this Model Y that's in for a full front paint protection film, full tint all around, and our 4-year ceramic coating to top it all off. This M2 has been here before for a track pack, full ceramic coating, and a couple of other things. But today it's here for a rear diffuser PPF. In the tint bay, we have this BMW 335 that's in for full removal and full reinstallation of an XR Black 35% all around.
Hey guys, Tequila here, and today looks a little bit different. Today I am on the move doing some flat glass consultations, and I wanted to show you a couple model homes we recently did. Come check these out. Whether you're from around here or have visited throughout the years, you might have noticed an influx in new construction as the community and culture grows. We were asked by Simply Dwell to tint a series of their model homes, not only to keep their staff comfortable while on the job, but also to showcase newcomers what could be with their new homes. We went in on these windows with our Vision series in Silver 50 all across the board here, and as you can see, these came out looking absolutely beautiful and will feel even better to those who get to enjoy them. That's all I have over here. We'll see you next Wednesday. Bye!